Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the 50 general awareness question and answer for the banking exams for all banks like SBI, like that. Now let's see the first question. First question, USA Thorough Committee is related to options NBFCS, public sector banks, private sector banks, small finance banks, payment banks. And the correct answer is final finance banks. Small finance bank. Second question, which bank in India has launched Mera iMobile banking app? Options ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, SBI Bank, BOB, HDFC. Correct answer is ICICI Bank. Next question. Which organization or ministry is the custodian of foreign reserves in India? Options Ministry of Finance, Foreign Ministry, Reserve Bank of India, SEBI, or none of these. The correct answer is Reserve Bank of India. Next question. HDFC Bank has launched its Unified Payment Interface UPI app on options Truecaller, Chill or Fires, Capital Float, and none of the above. The correct answer is Chill or. Next question. Expand EPZ. Options Electronic Promotion Zone, Expert Promotion Zone, Economical Promotion Zone, Economical Plus Zone, Electronic Plus Zone. The correct answer is Economical Plus Zone. Next question. Who among the following received CERAWeek Global Energy and Environment Leadership Award? Options Joe Biden, Xi Jinping, Angela Merkel, Vladimir Putin, Narendra Modi. The correct answer is Narendra Modi. Next question. Lok Sabha TV and Rajya Sabha TV merged as options Sansad TV, Parliament TV, Bharat TV, Janadar TV, and India TV. The correct answer is option A, Sansad TV. Next question. Winner of Swiss Open 10 Badminton Women's Single Final 2020 is options PV Sindhu, Chen Yufi, Carolina Marin, Akane Yamaguchi, Tai Tzu Yang. Correct answer is C, Carolina Marin. Next question. As per the World Air Quality Report 2020 prepared by IQ Air, a Swiss organization, which is the most polluted capital city globally? Options Option Delhi, Karachi, Ghaziabad, Kanpur, Xinjiang. The correct answer is option A, Delhi. Next question. Recently, who amongst the following was awarded the Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2020? Options Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, Joe Biden, Girija Prasad Koirala, Shinzo Abe, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Next question. Expand OECD. Options Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, Organization for Essential Cooperation and Development, Organization for Essential Coordination and Development, Organization for Economic Coordination and Development, Organization for Effective Coordination and Development. The correct answer is Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Next question. One of the bank recently introduced a new account for the customers in the age band of 21 to 38 years with the name of options PNB trendy, SBI trendy, BOB trendy, IOB trendy, Access trendy. Next question. Which bank recently launched the saving account for children named as Fed First? Options: BOB, DCS, RBL, IOB Trendy, Federal Bank. And the current answer is option E, Federal Bank. OMOs conducted by RBI is one of the mechanisms to maintain the sufficient liquidity in the economy. OMO stands for Only Market Operation, Overall Market Operations, Open Market Operations, Outside Market Operations, Overnight Market Operations. The correct answer is Overnight Market Operation. Next question. Which of the following cooperative bank is barred by RBI from granting new loans and accepting deposits because of its poor liquidity position? Options: Mexana Urban Cooperative Bank, Deccan Urban Cooperative Bank, Goa Urban Cooperative Bank, Karad Urban Cooperative Bank, Sangli Urban Cooperative Bank. The correct option is, did you find it? The option B, Deccan Urban Cooperative Bank. Next question. The Reserve Bank of India has released the Digital Payment Index (DPI), which measures the extent of digitization of payments in India. The DPI is based on the following. Find the following: two key parameters, 3 key parameters, 4 key parameters, 5 key parameters, 6 key parameters. The correct answer is option D, 5 key parameters. Next question. India's private sector bank ICICI Bank launched a new mobile application called Quick FX, Fast FX, Test FX, Bharat FX and Insta FX. Correct answer is Insta FX. Which cricket team becomes the first team to qualify for maiden World Test Championship final? Options: India, England, Australia, Pakistan, New Zealand. Correct option is option E, New Zealand. Hima Das is recently appointed as a DSP by which state government? Options: Meghalaya, Punjab, Tripura, Assam, West Bengal. Correct answer is Assam. Next question. Who won the Scotch Chief Minister of the Year award recently? Arvind Kejriwal, YS Jagannath Reddy, Uddhav Thackeray, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Yogi Adityanath. Correct answer is option B, YS Jagannath Reddy. India's rank as per the World Economic Forum's Global Gender Gap Report 2021 is option A, 148th, 144th, 147th, 48th, 158th. Correct answer is option A, 148th. Which of the following country made the highest FDI in India from April 2020 to January 2021? The correct answer is option D, Singapore. Next question. Lying face down is the known as which is a medically accepted position to improve comfort and oxygenation. Options: crawling, rolling, rowing, proning, crawling. Correct answer is option D, proning. Next question. In its bi-monthly policy, RBI kept MSP rate unchanged at 4.25%. Expand the MSF. Options: minimum standard facility, maximum standard facility, marginal standard facility, minimum standing facility, marginal standing facility. The correct answer is option E, marginal standing facility. Next question. RBI recently set up a regulation review authority, RRA, 2.0 for a period of options 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Options. Correct answer is 1 year. Next question. Reserve Bank of India RBI has revised rule in its circular titled Corporate Governance in Banks, Appointments of Directors and Constitution of Committees of the Board. As per the change in the rules, RBI has fixed the tenure of MD and CEOs or Whole-Time Directors WT of the banks to options 5 years, 8 years, 10 years, 12 years and 15 years. The correct answer is option E, 15 years. Next question. What is the term of RBI governor? Option 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 6 years as decided by MOF. The correct answer is option B, 3 years. PFRDA is related to which of the following? Options NPS, EPFO, insurance, mutual funds and equity. Correct answer is option A, NPS. Where is the headquarters of the Asian Development Bank? Options China, Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam and India. Correct answer is option B, Philippines. Next question. The approach of microcredit or banking with the poor is the comparatively a new concept in the field of rural credit. This approach has been tried very successfully in which of the following countries? Options Sri Lanka, China, Bangladesh, Nepal and India. The correct answer is option C, Bangladesh. Which of the following is used to denote broad money? Options M0, M1, M2, M3. None of the above. Option D is the correct answer, M3. Which film is awarded as the best film in 70th Golden Globe Awards 2021? Options The Father, Monk, Nomadland, Promising Young Woman, The Trail of the Chicago 7. The correct answer is option C, Nomadland. Who is appointed as chairperson of EIBA Champion and Veterans Committee? Options Michael Philip Caruth, Mary Kom, Umar Kremlev, Shiming Ju, Jong Hyang Ri. Correct answer is option B, Mary Kom. Recently, India commenced a joint military exercise called Dust Like 2 with options Uzbekistan, Russia, Israel, Afghanistan and Bangladesh. Correct answer is option A, Uzbekistan. With an aim to implement the One Nation, One Ration Card system in India, the Government of India has launched the Dash mobile app. Correct answer options are Mera Bhojan, Hamara Ration, Apna Bhojan, Mera Ration. Correct answer is option E, Mera Ration. India's first indigenous nuclear missile tracking ship. Options INS Virat, INS Dhruv, INS Vikramaditya, INS Virat, INS Impal. Correct answer is option B, INS Dhruv. Next question. The Reserve Bank of India RBI has set up a 5-member committee to evaluate applications for universal banks and small finance banks. The committee is headed by options Revati Iyer, TV Manoharan, Shyamala Gopinath, Hemant Contractor. Option B, Mahabatra. Correct answer is option C, Shyamala Gopinath. Where is the office of ISRO? Options Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, New Delhi. Correct option is option B, Bangalore. Recently conducted 2020 Parachuting World Cup held in options Dubai, UAE, Switzerland, England. None of the above. Correct option is option B, UAE. Good people to the bank with is the tagline of the which of the following? Options PNB, POB, IOB, Union Bank of India, Karnataka Bank. Correct option is option D, Union Bank of India. Which country will host 30th BRICS Summit in 2021? Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Correct answer is option C, India. How much financial assistance is provided to the farmers under PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana? Options: 2,000 per year, 5,000 per year, 6,000 per year, 10,000 per year, 12,000 per year. Correct answer is option C, 6,000 per year. First state it launched the app Carbon Watch to access the carbon footprint of the individual. Option: Chandigarh, Ladakh, Delhi, Daman and Diu, Mizoram. Correct answer is Chandigarh. Option A. The state had recently inaugurated the fire park, the first in the country to bring awareness of the fire safety measures. Assam, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Orissa. Correct answer is option E, Orissa. With which tech firm Madhya Pradesh state government joined hands to implement a new education policy? Options: Wipro, HCL Tech, Infosys, TCS, Tech Mahindra. Correct answer is option A, Wipro. Which country launched the world's first nationwide 5G mobile network? Options: Japan, South Korea, China, France and Malaysia. Correct answer is option B, South Korea. A syndicated loan is a loan that is options: unsecured, secured by mortgage, provided by a group of banks, provided by the group of people, provided by government. Correct answer is option C, provided by group of banks. Which among the following does not come under the corporate governance? Trusteeship, ethical business conduct, management of rights of shareholders, profit maximization. Option both. Correct answer is profit maximization. Who decides the interest rate on the savings account in India? Options: RBI, GOI, Government of India, IBA, MOF, Minister of Finance, banks themselves. Correct answer is option E, bank themselves. Commercial paper. CP is an unsecured money market instrument issued in the form of a dash. Promissory note, bill of exchange, check, demand letter, arrangement of letter. Correct answer is option A, promissory note. Okay, all the best. Bye.